Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to do hashing using the method of folding. In in folding method for hashing, what we do is we will take the element which we have to hash and we will get individual digits of that number and add those individual digits to get the position of that number within the table or array. So to do the folding of the number, what we have to know is how to get individual digits of that number first. So let's start coding. Okay, import java dot util dot asterisk, then class hash underscore if folding. Now let's define public static void string. Okay, now let's define a number equal to is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are having a number with 6 digits. So first we have, okay, there are different logics to get individual digits of given number. In this video what I will be doing is, first I will get how many digits are there in a given number. That is very easy. Okay, now let's define a variable called digits, and there is a function called log10 in Java. Using this function we can know how many digits are there in a given number. The logic is very simple. I will use a calculator here first. Okay, now let's open a calculator. Okay, in this calculator we can see the log function here is the log 10. I will provide number 1 2 3 4. In this number there are 4 digits, and when I take log of this number, what I will get is I will get 3.0 something something. That is the real number in which the integer part is 3. Now again I will take another number 897, whatever it may be. Okay, this number has 7 digits. I will take log 10 of this. Now you can see it is giving me a real number, and in this real number the integer part is 6. So if we can convert this real number into integer, it will become 6, and by adding 1 we will get 7. That is the number of digits provided to log 10. So using this log10 method we can know how many digits are there in a given number. So in Java I will do this. There is a method math.log10, then I will supply norm this. Okay, I will cast this value to integer also now immediately. In casting integer, then I will add 1 to this. Now I will display this system.out.println digits plus digits. Okay, now let's save this. Okay, it is saved with the name cd/cd. Okay, cls cd online. Okay, cddsa java c. Okay, hash. Now you can see here I have provided a value containing 6 digits, and the value for digits after using log 10 and adding 1, I got 6 here. So let's change this value. Let's make 9. Let's make a number with 5 digits. Save this and let's re-execute this. Now you can see it is I'm getting number of digits 5. So using this math.log method I can figure out how many digits are there in a given number. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to get some of these individual digits. How can we get individual digits of this number? Let's define one variable integer equal to integer I. Let's do the loop I less than digits. I'm looping through 1 to number of digits given in a number. Here this while loop will execute from 0 to 5 because the norm contains 5 digits. Now what I would do here is, okay, digits v equal to math dot power method 10 comma I. Okay, I will divide given number by power of 10. Now here I will run from 0 to 5. So the power of 10 will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So here initially the value of num is equal to 9, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when this number is divided by 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, initially the value of I here, okay, let's look here in this line number 12, we are dividing this number by 10 to power 0, that is 1. Initially this number will be divided by 1 and we will get same number 9, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what will happen is the value of I will be incremented by 1 and this number will be divided by 10 and we will get 9, 3, 4, 5. Then in the next iteration the value of I will become 2, so this will be divided by 100. So we will get 9, 3, 4. In this way the value which we use to divide the num will be increasing. It will increase by the 10 to power. The value of I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we will be getting the number. So let's display this value. Okay, I took convert this into integer. Now let's display the value of p. Plus v. Now let's see what will be the output here. Okay, I have to delete this. Okay, I can do comment. Simply comment this. Okay, save this. Now everything seems fine. Power. Okay, execute this. V. Okay, I do not have defined integer v, so define this, save this. Let's do cls. Now re-execute this. Double to int. Okay, I have to put these things within the bracket. Okay, now let's save this. Silly mistakes, it happens. Now it's okay. Okay, I do not have it. Okay, my loop problem. I forgot to increment I. While explaining, I forgot it. No problem. Now let's re-execute this. Now let's see what we will get. Low. Okay. Now initially 9, 3, 4, 5, 6 as I told. Now in this way we are getting the value. Now to get the individual digits, what I will be doing is in the line number 11, I will take the modulus of this number by 10. So what will I get here is, okay, initially this number is 9, 3, 4, 5, 6. When it is divided by 10, I will get 6. That is the last digit of a given number. And this, and in the second time, the value will be 9, 3, 4, 5, and it will be divided by 100. So I will get 5. Again, this value will be 9, 3, 4, and I will, okay, no, this is the modulus sign, percentage, not divide or multiply, modulus. Okay, again this will be divided by, this will give me remainder. No, this will be okay, silly mistake. All these terms will be divided by 10. Okay, this will be 4. So I am getting individual digits by taking the given numbers modulus by 10. So let's see what will the value of v now. Let's execute this. Now you can see I am getting the individual digits of given number. So now our job is done. What we have to do is To get the hash value of given number, just we have to add these individual numbers. So I will be defining one more variable, that is sum. Initialize it with 0, then go on adding sum plus equal to v. Now, and let's define the value of sum outside of this loop. Okay, let's make it the hash value plus sum. Now let's see what will we get. Oh, we are supposed to get how much? 10, 15, 18. That means 27. The sum of these individual digits should be 27. Now let's re-execute this. Okay, this is the hash value 27. It's all correct. Now we can change this and let's see. Okay, let's add one more digit here. 27 plus 7, 34. Now let's see where this will give us 34 or not. Okay, 34. Okay, in this way we can get the length of the given number using the logged in method, then dividing the given number by 10 and getting the remainder. We can divide the given number into individual digits and we can easily add those individual digits to get the hash value. Now let's define one array table of size 100. Okay, now we'll be storing this value to this table and its position will be sum is equal to num. Okay, in this way we can do the hashing of a given number using the concept of folding. Okay, so if we have to sort this number, what we do is we will take the hash value of the given number and we will directly sort in that position in the table. So in this way we can do the hashing using the concept of folding. This is the num, not sum. It has this code should be inside the curly bracket. Okay, so in this way the concept of hashing using the folding can be realized. Okay, now let's execute this. Now you can see, okay, I should be okay. System.out print alien. Okay, simply I will display the content table from here. We will get what that given value should be there. Let's do CLS. Okay, now you can see this in the table at the position 34. Our value which value we have stored is available. So in this way we can store the value, or we can map the given value to the table using the concept of folding. Thank you.